And I'm back. Take one. Getting to the point. My latest critic spoke and I listened. This video here is all about getting to the point. 1/2 inch versus 3/8 inch chuck. All right, my latest critic spoke out and I listened. Get to the point. Actually, he used a potty mouth word, but he's probably another Milwaukee user. Put down your toilet humor. To the League of Men. It just looks dynamic. It looks so large, so big. It's just big and large and big. A lot of girth. Can handle a larger bit. It's big. I mean, just look at the tip. Just the tip. Look at the tip. I'm here braving the elements to give you facts. Just to the point though. Get to the point. I'm here to get to the point about 1/2 inch chuck versus 3/8 chuck. Apparently, my original video wasn't quite pointy enough, so it's very simple. Very simple. You're going to use the pointed end of the drill to do the drilling. Use the butt end. You ain't going to do any drilling. Use the pointed end. This is for all you Milwaukee users out there, Ryobists, Gyobes, all you Ryobi people. The drill bit goes in the point, okay? The pointy end. This is where the drill bit or the driver, whatever you're going to use, goes in this end. Okay? The whole point is to use the part that spins. Use the part that spins. That's the point. Okay? Sometime your helmet that your mommy put on you falls over your ears. Lift it up so you can hear what I'm saying. Stick it in the pointy end. You do your work. You do your drilling. The problem is, here's the whole point of this video. If you've got a drill bit that's a little girthy, it may not fit in this 12-volt drill because it's got a 3/8 chuck. It's a smaller chuck, basically. That's what she said. Here, this here DeWalt DCD 1007 has a 1/2 inch chuck. Many drills do. Here's my point. You can buy a lot of drills with a 3/8 chuck. You can buy way more drills with a 1/2 inch chuck. That's the point of this, okay? That's the point. You getting the point yet? Is it pointy enough? Good. So, this video has been for whatever I'm guessing was a woodworker. They usually have a problem with my videos not being pointy enough. And, you know, that's not the whole point of my videos. Sometimes there's a point, sometimes there's not. It's all about just having a good time. And have a good time with your tools. Maybe that's my point. The point here is just have a good time with your tool. It's your tool. Do with it as you will. You know what I mean? That's the whole deal. I was on a job the other day. I did not use my beautiful DeWalt. Part of me didn't want to get it dirty, but the whole point of this conversation is I have batteries for my vacuum. I needed my vacuum. I used the Makita because I'm going to take one battery in there, my drill, my vacuum, swap around, and you know, clean up whatever the mess I made, basically. That's the point of that. So there you have it. Suck on that. Long and hard. The point of wearing flannel is it's a manly thing to do, and I am promoting a manly vibe on this here channel. That's the point of this channel. The whole point of this channel and the point of this video is to bring That's really the only point that I need to convey. Everyone is open to their opinion of get to the point, but maybe the whole experience is the point for me. And I know a lot of people don't get what I do, but I think my wife doesn't. Nobody gets what I do, and that's fine. And there you have it. That's the point, really. Speaking of points, it's raining outside, y'all. And I brought my ladder in to get into the attic, which is up there, but it needs to dry off. The whole point of bringing it in early is so it's dry by the time I want to climb into the attic. There's the point there. All kinds of points. I have green bags here with cans in them to return to the recycler. That's the point of those. The garage is still a mess. That's why I'm trying to get these shelves hung off the ceiling. That's the point of that. There'll be a video about that. There'll be some sort of point there. I will point it out. The whole point is, it's nice to have a light driver or drill, but sometimes you have to use a drill bit that's a little large. You've gotta have a 1/2-inch chuck. For me, I go in with as much juice as I can sometimes. Sometimes it's something nice, quick and light and fluffy. It's fun. This doesn't weigh your tool pouch down. You go in nice and clean. It's not a large profile. You have less chance of scraping on stuff in your customer's house or their business. But sometimes you just want maximum overload. And that's where you're going to be using a bigger device that takes a bigger drill bit, and so you're going to need a bigger chuck. So that's what she said anyway. So the whole point, that's the point. You know what? I'm going to go now. I'm going to go eat a salad. The point is, I'm hungry. Another point taken. You take that point, just take it. Just take it here. Now, the point is, you need a drill sometimes. You need a 1/2-inch chuck. Sometimes you don't. And that's okay. Sometimes, come on, sometimes, no, it's okay. Oh, they're from China. Oh, they're all from China. That's wacky, wild stuff. That is amazing. That's wacky, wacky, wild stuff. Wacky, wild stuff. Did you know that, Ed?
Yes! Yes, sir.
Sometimes I need a bigger drill. I need a bigger chuck. Listen to me. Take the drill bit out. Take it out. Put it in there. Put it in there now. Now. Get to the chopper. Okay. All I want to do is make videos. If people watch them, great. People want to subscribe, awesome. I'd love to have a community talking about tools, about stuff like that. I'd love it. But I also gotta do what I do. I gotta be me. And sometimes comments are crazy. It's kind of hard to deal with, but that's just the name of the game, I suppose. I could just make them and just keep them to myself, but I just kind of feel like they're my babies. They're my little creations, and I'll just throw them out there and see what sticks and what doesn't. So honestly, if anybody's watching at this point, besides my dad, let's talk about tools. Let's talk about projects. Let's do some. I've got a project or two I'm going to be filming. The people may not get it. It's okay. So that's the point. And now my time has come to go now away, and gotta go be weird in some other way. So bye.